Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel on Advanced Excel. Now today's video number 38 is extension of my previous video, that is video number 37, where we have seen how we can use conditional formatting to highlight second and fourth Saturday, and here it was. Now in this video I am having three more examples where we can see how we can use the same logic and conditional formatting for highlighting first and third Thursday, then highlighting every Saturday and Sunday, or it can be any consecutive days, say Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, Thursday, like that. And the most difficult example we are going to see in the last, which will be we will highlight one specific day in each week. Okay, so we are going to highlight first Monday, then second Wednesday, third Thursday and fifth Friday, and we'll achieve this in the same single cell formula. But again, as I said, we are going to use helper columns to assist us to arrive at that final product. So let's begin with this video. First is to highlight first and third Thursday. So is equal to text. My value is in B3, comma, my format text is DDD, and control enter. It's giving me the abbreviation of the day, and we'll ask a logical question, are you Thursday, into quotation marks, control enter. It's giving me false, perfectly fine, and I'll surround this with brackets and multiply it by 1 to convert that trues and false into ones and zeros, because we are going to sum this. Okay, and then control C, control shift up arrow, enter. So this is done. So this particular column, it only basically determines whether a particular day is a Thursday or a Friday or any day you want to highlight. That is the only purpose of this column. Second column, we are going to take sum of this, which will be a cumulative sum time, and I am giving this semicolon. I'll take cursor to this formula bar and I'll freeze this first D3 and control enter. Again control C, control down arrow, control shift up arrow, enter. So we are having this. And in the last column we'll try to build and. So is equal to and, are you equal to 1. So basically, is this day a Thursday, and is this equal to 1 to get the first Thursday, and I'm hitting control enter right now, and we're going to say or. Now this is my first condition, so it is taking care of that first Thursday, and we'll take this first function, control C, control V, and instead of 1 I am giving 3, enter, and Excel will autocomplete function for us. Yes, false, it's okay, control shift up arrow, enter. And now you can see we will be having only 2 trues in this. So this is my first true, which is my first Thursday, and another Thursday is here, which is my third Thursday. Okay, so simply control C, I am hitting F2 first, then control C, escape. I'll select this range, alt H, L, N for conditional formatting. We'll select the last option to use formula to determine which cells to format, auto, control V, and the format we want is, say, bold, outline borders, and fill this color. Okay, so here it is, first and third Thursday, and you can have any month, 1st April 20. This is my first Thursday of April, which is on 2nd of April 2020, and my third Thursday. So first and third we have seen, second, fourth we have seen in my previous video. Now next slide is, or next sheet is highlighting every Saturday and Sunday, and we don't want any helper columns as such. We can simply start with text, this value, comma, into inverted comma, DDD equal to Saturday, and enter. and we'll simply build or around this or. So this is my entire one condition. So we want either it has to be a Saturday or it has to be Sunday. Let it be any Saturday, Sunday. So we are not concerned about whether it's a first Saturday or a second Sunday or things like that. And we'll copy this text function, Control C and Control V, and instead of Saturday I'll simply give Sunday. UN and enter. Here it is, and simply we'll select this function. Again same thing, I am selecting this range where I want conditional formatting to apply. Alt H L N, then use formula to determine which cell to format. Alt O, Control V, and again the same thing. Okay, this time we'll select this color, borders, outline, font, bold, press OK. Okay, so all Saturdays and Sundays in a month are highlighted. Put any month. Here it is. So this is how you can use conditional formatting and this OR function, which accommodates these two text functions inside it. Either of this is true, it will highlight those Saturdays and Sundays. So Saturdays and Sundays. And last, now this is a very lengthy and tricky thing we are going to see, where we want to highlight first Monday, second Wednesday, third Thursday and fifth Friday. In this May 2020 we are having 5 Fridays. So let's begin. Again the same logic, no change in that text. DDD, and straight away I will ask for this whether product of this is Monday or not. Enter. Now what I am going to do is I am going to prepare a template and then we'll simply copy it to next cell. So our template is ready, Monday is done. So again this particular in this particular step we'll only determine whether particular day is a Monday or a Wednesday or a Thursday or a Friday, isn't it? Control V, Wednesday, WED, Control Enter. Then we want Thursday, and last we want Friday. Enter, and simply Control C, enter. So this first part is over. Next part, sum time. Now I am taking sum for this sorry, cumulative sum for this Monday. So then we'll give semicolon and I'll freeze this D3, first D3. Okay, and Control C, Control V. Okay, I have something here, so let me just remove that clear rules. Okay, so this thing is over. Then and we'll copy this to all these 3 days. And now simply we are going to replace this D with E and all that. So for Wednesday it's a column is E. Sorry for the notification. So Control F, find D, replace with E and replace all. So we have this. Then for Thursday we have to replace D with F, isn't it? E is over. So replace with F now and it's over. So basically Control F or say find and replace, you can replace a reference inside the formula as well. Okay, so this is a one more trick which you may be aware or you may not be. So D is over, E is over, F is over, and last is G. Again replace D with G and replace all. So it's over. And now we are having this AND condition. So is equal to AND are equal to 1 and comma. Now we want first Monday, so and are u equal to 1 again. Okay, Control C, Control V. Instead of D3, we'll give reference to this cell now. Are u equal to 1, and instead of I, it will be J3, and are equal to 2 because we want second Wednesday. Enter. Then Control C, Control V. Now instead of Thursday, so are equal to 1, and instead of J3, it will be K3, and this will be 3 because we want third Thursday, I suppose, isn't it? Third Thursday, and last is Friday. So Control C, F2, Control V. Instead of F3, now my reference will be this, and instead of 3 it will be 5, and this K3, it will be L3, and enter. Okay, and now we'll consolidate all those things inside the OR. So I'm starting with a space bar is equal to OR, and inside parenthesis we'll put all these AND conditions. But before that, let me just surround these AND conditions with parenthesis so things are not confusing. And we'll also copy this AND down, which I forgot. Control C, enter, and we'll copy all these AND conditions inside OR. So when any of these conditions are true or are satisfied, it will highlight those records. First is done, second is for Wednesday, second, then Thursday, Control C, Thursday, comma, and last is Friday, Control C, escape, Control V, and things are over. So I'll come to this beginning of this function and hit a backspace to delete that extra space. So things are highlighted. We'll press enter, and Excel will auto complete that formula, and simply Control C and enter. And now if everything is perfect, in this final column which we have, where we have consolidated all those and inside OR, we should have only 4 trues. Absolutely. Okay, so here are the things. This is my first Monday, this is my second Wednesday, this is my third Thursday, and this is my 5th of Friday. So things are looking absolutely fine, no need to worry. Simply come here, Control C, I have copied that formula, and we'll now take it to conditional formatting. Alt H, L, N, and Alt Control V, and we'll select the format. This time we'll select this italic, and fill color, we'll go with this tan, and font will be bold, and okay, and okay. Here it is. So first Monday, this is my first Monday, 4th of May. Then this is my second Wednesday, because first Wednesday is gone on 6th of May. So my second Wednesday is 13th of May. Then third Thursday, which is this 21st of May, is my third Thursday, and last is 5th of Friday, because this May 2020 is having 5 Fridays. So my 5th Friday is falling on 29th of May 2020. Okay, so friends, this is how you can use this helper columns, and once you have done with this, I have said you can simply highlight hide those columns, and here you have. So this is how you can use conditional formatting and this AND and OR logic to highlight certain days in the month. So friends, this brings me to the end of this video. If you have liked this video, do give me a thumbs up. If you don't like what I do, don't hesitate to give me a thumbs down. Also subscribe to my channel and share these videos with all of your friends and colleagues so that even they are benefited. And in this description box I am giving a link of this file for you to download and practice upon. So take care. Thanks a lot. Bye.